Don't you know the rules of the road? That's a fatal mistake. Hi, I'm Jacob, your driving instructor. Join us and drive safely and without any fines. Today, we're going to practice the task of knowing how to navigate an uncontrolled intersection. The task is not difficult, but quite interesting. It will be useful for both experienced drivers and beginners. So here's the task. 3 cars arrive at an uncontrolled intersection. Which car should pass the intersection first? Choose your options. Number 1, blue car. Number 2, yellow car. Number 3, red car. Number 4, by common agreement. Pause the video and write your answer in the comments. At the end of the video, you will find out whether you're right or not. I'll set the timer and give you 10 seconds to think it over. I hope you had time to make a choice because we're moving on to a breakdown of this task. In this example, we see 3 cars approaching an uncontrolled intersection. All 3 cars want to continue in the following directions. The yellow car wants to turn left, the red car wants to turn left, and the blue car wants to turn left. The police are doing serious business at this moment. They are dancing. They don't care about you. Let's get back to our question. In order to solve this task, you need to find out what kind of intersection it is. There are 2 types of intersections, controlled and uncontrolled. As we can see, this intersection is uncontrolled because there are no traffic lights or traffic controllers here. All roads have the same paved surface. According to the road rules, when 3 vehicles arrive at an intersection at the same time, the vehicle on the left side must yield to the vehicle on the right side. However, in this case, all cars are turning left and accordingly everyone must yield to the vehicle on the right side. So, drivers must pass this intersection by common agreement. You can indicate with a gesture or look who goes first. Then, the vehicle on the left side must yield to the vehicle on the right side. So the correct answer is number 4, by common agreement. Congrats if you chose it. I'm Jacob, your driving instructor. Subscribe to my channel so that the police never stop you and issue a fine. Drive safely and take care.